No. I am the Men in Black.
Yo, fuck with Dochi.
No.
What the heck, dude?
No. Here's like Hibiscus.
No.
Oh, well. Oh. I can pick the card up.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
You can have it.
Actually, I can ride it. Look.
Faded.
Hey, now let go.
Grab my monkey. Grab the monkey! Oh, that didn't work. She said, let go, like I'm a toddler. Don't hold on to that. Monkey! Maybe I am. Oh, you breaking my monkey?
Oh, sorry.
You hurt my monkey, man. What's wrong with you? You're
We're talking
grounded.
about your monkey.
Bro, he touched my monkey.
Oh no!
Hey, buddy.
He's not a fan of that. He's not a fan.
I just read the most disgusting. I don't even want to read this.
Get away from me.
You don't have to.
I was tapped
Careful,
out
Nat.
for a minute because I got a Discord message, and I am thoroughly disgusted.
Huh! I'm so sorry, Davis. I stood behind Davis and got shot. It's all my fault. Oh, oh. Oh. Feel the rain on my skin. I like the rain, man. Rain's good. Rain keeps you moisturized. Oh my god, she sent me a meme where the shrimp actually fried the rice.
She's is that what she's doing while navigating?
What? Lord of the Rings back shots? No, she's this is hours ago, I just never responded. Oh, a menace. Nat, are you there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, dude, this is sick. How do people discover that they can do this?
What happened?
Guy made a mouth out of pencils, like actual pencils. He just stacked a bunch of pencils and it made a mouth.
What the fuck? That's so silly.
It's so good, though. I feel like I found a Davis meme and I can't send it to Davis, so I'm gonna send it to Allie to send to Davis.
Just put it in the group chat.
No, no,
Easy.
no. Just in case. So I don't want you questioning why it's on my feed. Pour cold water in mouth. Add uncooked pasta noodles. Heat water to boiling using the power of your own rage. Strain out boiling water through teeth. What? Snort Parmesan. Kill the gods. What? Wow. She's really going. Oh my god. Think she's gonna win? She's got this? Oh, look at the cat.
Aw, Gaty.
Monster, what are you doing, brother? Come here. Hey, there you are, buddy. Wow, Instagram comments are a different level of, like, insane.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, while she does this, I will be right back. It's up to you guys to keep the nobody entertained. It's up to you two.
The nobody.
The nobody.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I'm losing my fucking mind right now, dude.
Yeah. Why?
I can't believe I got duped by Steam. I was sitting there, I was like, I had everything closed, and I remember closing Steam, but they still had a fucking download going on while I was playing.
Oh.
Like, what the fuck?
I remember the other day I was at the DVD, and I guess I had opened someone's Steam profile, but it never loaded fully. And so I closed out of the thing because the match started. And like in the middle of the match, I guess their page finally loaded because I just had random audio playing. And I could not get it to stop because I had the tab closed and I couldn't tab back into it. So I was just stuck listening to random ominous music from someone's page. I like full shut off Steam and it finally stopped.
Oh, she almost did it.
No.
She said, no. Why did everyone have to die so soon?
Boy, what the hell, boy?
Why do all my friends suck at this game? Listen, lady.
Listen.
Listen here, you little whippersnapper, I swear to God. Back in my day to get to the grocery store.
Listen here, boy.
What is she freaking out about?
My friend.
That's little ducky.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh,
Hey guys,
that was so
scary.
instant.
Hey,
That was scary.
hey,
Uh-huh.
hey, you got caught, dude.
I don't want to talk about it.
Send us to the loser zone. I'm gonna win again.
I hope you fall. Is there dinosaurs?
I hate you. Ouch! I'm gonna play guitar.
I'm swinging crazy like. Now I'm gonna get you.
No, please. I've never won this.
I don't care.
Carrot
There's... Yeah. No! Yes! What are you doing?
I'm just sitting here. I'm just, you know. Oh.
I'll throw something at you.
Oh no.
Kobe. Oh.
I just wanted to move him over so he wouldn't die when the thing's the tree.
Bottle!
Please, my friend.
You know what? I'm gonna win. No!
No.
No!
No.
in the game.
I just, out of spite, I just wanted to take the eagle statue.
He went to use the West Womb.
Oh, buddy.
Oh.
You stay with me.
Fall. Fall. No! No!
Yay!
I'm so mad that all of you have won this and I never have.
It's okay, your time will come. I only won it once
Never
and now
won seriously.
I would have felt victorious had I taken the eagle statue. Out of spite. Monster brother, what are you doing? Your little fat orange self on my desk?
How are you so mean to him?
She's mean to me.
Guys, I think we've gotten worse at this game.
Guys. We really should just get rid of the worst player. Bye, Allie. Honestly.
we're in the wizard tower.
We're in the... I'm gonna get in the green.
Dude, why is the door coming off?
It's just that good.
That's just a fat stack of cash.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Green over.
At the cut.
Nothing up there.
Come over here.
I'm coming.
Bark.
What's the child laughing?
It can't hurt you as long as you don't look at it. It's the embodiment of I don't see you, you don't see me.
Okay.
What the hell? Oh. Rah! No one else can do it for you.
Please don't try, Davis. Please just Davis. Just
Holy shit!
Ow. What? Gimme, gimme, gimme. No one else can do.
Cart!
No one else can do it for you.
Oh my god, Allie's dead.
don't worry, I'll get it.
It's behind you, you got it.
Oh, we got it.
I got it.
Everything's okay.
There, look, put it in.
Don't worry, we got the guys. Oh my god.
Oh no! Oh my god!
There's nothing.
Do we
up
get
there.
everything up here?
There's nothing up there.
Okay.
I want this box, but the box is too boxy. I got it. I'm so good at this game. They're dying. Dead as hell. No one else can do. No one else can do it for you. You guys dead?
She's dead!
No! I already extracted the money. I don't like it. Hi.
Hello.
How are ya?
Not good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Cyclops.
We've done that in real life.
Whoa! Calm down. Calm down, calm down. What? Are they all dead?
Yeah.
Can you not get in here, you stupid idiot? Huh?
Hot, dumb.
Oh, I was pulling him in. No! He killed me. I died.
It killed you?
Mm-hmm.
Like, literally?
It hit me,
Oh,
but I guess I'm
God.
alive. Okay.
I'm gonna throw up.
I have health.
Yeah,
Why are
can
you
go.
gonna throw up?
Ugh.
I want strength. It's expensive, though.
Nipponina.
Okay, cool. Look at that.
Davis, you need health.
Yeah, I am at like
I need
1.
health.
We'll
That would
group
be
up on
nice.
health,
It would-
and then we'll do back
It
shots.
would be nice.
Perpendicular.
I'm trying to hit the wall.
Yeah? Are you trying to find the spot?
Yeah.
I don't know where it is. I have no idea where it's at.
There it is.
Yep.
Put me in, coach.
You gotta do it better.
Oh shit.
No, you gotta do better.
God damn it.
No, now I was gonna stick you up there. Get down there.
There we go.
What happened? I wasn't at my desk.
Don't you take my strength upgrade?
I'm taking my stamina upgrade.
Where's the health?
She ate it. She ate it.
You ate
I
it.
was at 1.
You
Okay,
ate
okay,
it.
Okay. How much health does everyone have?
I have 1.
26.
51.
How much health do you have, Nat?
51.
Okay. 30, 40, and where's the other guy? There you are.
I'm at 1.
20,
Yay!
30, 40. There we go.
Oh, you should have kept me at 21. What's 9 plus 10?
Your mom.
Krill, your shelf.
I like that I can just hear
we've just
krill.
resorted to krill. Not even krill yourself, just krill.
Real.
Krilling it, dude.
I'm so
Krill.
glad he understands the krillier shelf.
Yeah.
Right?
I'm not stupid.
He's a knower.
I may be a mechanic, but I'm not dumb.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Was that supposed to mean something?
People think mechanics are dumb. I'm just saying.
Oh.
Alright. Bottle! I found bottle! Baby want
Man,
bottle.
this room's trash.
Baby wants bottle.
Shut up.
Welcome back.
This is worth 7 grand. Not anymore.
You know what else is worth 7 grand?
Your mom. Sorry.
Oh, was you beat me to it, man. My mom! What's this? What's happening? What's this? I'm uncomfortable by this.
Whoa.
It reminds me of Skinamarink. Oops. Does anyone see screen? Please watch out.
Oh, sorry.
Does anyone see
Oh god,
Skinamarink?
that's Davis. Never mind.
No.
Ooh.
I
Don't worry,
have
that's
never
me.
seen this show.
I was gonna make a joke, but I was
It's
like,
not
you know
even a
what?
show, it's a horror movie.
It's a movie.
Oh, I don't watch horror movies.
I know,
it's a-
I knew you wouldn't know what it is.
What is that? What's the movie?
Yeah, they're like 2 years old.
No. I don't want another context anymore. Diamond.
completely disappeared.
That's-
And their parents aren't home, so they're dealing with this demon while home alone,
Oh, Home Alone.
and they can't leave.
Oh my god. You just cracked him in the head.
No one else can do it
Oops.
for you.
See, we gotta
There's a
practice
lot of
on this
gory
on the
scenes.
dudes.
Is that your
Not even,
Serenity
like-
song?
Yes.
Yes.
It's the song that keeps me sane right now. She cracked me in the head and I took damage.
Hello.
Pedro.
I didn't like that.
You don't like Pedro?
Pedro.
Have you seen the rat meme?
I heard something scary.
He's like, Pedro, Pedro, Pedro. There's something scary about Pedro. Hello.
Hello.
If you met our Lord and Savior, Gojo.
Hello. I have.
Satoru Gojo. This is ominous room. The
It's a
showers. This is where my people were made. Whoa, whoa. You open that door right back up now.
Mm-mm.
Pedro. Pedro. Did you grab my diamond? Did you? Did you grab my diamond? Krill.
No.
Krill. Krillin' it. Krillionaire.
What? You're a
I'm a
krillionaire?
krillionaire. I'm a plant.
You wish you were a krillionaire.
You little. What?
I'm so sorry.
You're. Oh man.
Oh, somebody died. Bye, Tanner. Who did that?
Dude. I don't like the fact that I sounded like Tom and Jerry.
Man. So no head?
How's Tom again the cart?
I don't know if I want that thing around me, honestly. How is he
Dang.
avoiding the giant baby head?
I don't know.
Not that I've ever seen a baby though. Oh, he's dead. It looked at him.
No, he got it.
It looked at him. It looked at him. No one else can do it for you. Get the Voss.
Your Serenity song.
My Serenity song. Actually, my Serenity song is Chokehold by Sleep Token.
Okay.
And Rain by Sleep Token.
Mm-hmm.
And Take Me Back to Eden by Sleep
Mhm.
Token.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Oh my
Wow,
god.
Davis. Davis! Davis! What's this guy doing? I'm yelling at him, but he can't hear me.
Let me see if I can bring the girl here.
Hey, yo. What are you watching? What's happening with... Nah, nothing?
That was spooky.
Yeah, well, he's smacked her against the ground 6 times.
Hold on, I got it.
Davis.
Fuck.
Guys. Guys?
She made it.
She's in-
Guys. What are we doing?
Dumb
Now
bitch.
you have to find the construction. Wait, hold on.
No one else can do it for you.
You're gonna fall. No.
Back there.
Oh.
Their new song's pretty good. Have you heard their new
Where are
song?
you going?
Mm-mm.
I don't know how to get her in.
She's.
Oh, she's dead.
Wow.
Well, it's okay. She wasn't worth that much money.
Wow.
Oh, Allie's
Davis.
dead.
Pimping out dolls.
Our girl is dead.
Our girl is dead.
Where is it?
I don't know.
Krilling it.
Are you krilling it?
There's a big room over here.
Sounds like you found it.
I wanna be krilling
Yay!
it.
I used to listen to a song like that song, but it was for Halo.
I broke the door.
No way.
I was a cringe little child.
Yeah, you were.
It was I want to get a Killionaire.
I can hear the freak.
Whoa. He's got the freak in him and he can hear it.
It's
It
right here.
talks to him.
It haunts him. Not the freak.
Oh, this
haunts
is
him.
a freaky room.
It is freaky.
Looks like Squid Game.
Whoa.
Krill games.
Real games. Shrimp games. You mean to tell me a shrimp fried this rice? My shrimp. Hey guys.
Just me or is it dark in here?
Ali was making obscene jokes. Just want you guys to know.
No.
It gets dark whenever you complete the task. Giant baby
There's
head.
a freaky eye.
Look at it. Guys. Grandpa's lurking.
So you're gonna die.
No, the eyeball! The eyeball! No! I got trolled.
Yeah, I got stuck on the eye, and I also so I couldn't look away from it, but I didn't know where the big head was.
Yeah.
No. Krillionaire.
Billionaire, dude.
Fuck. I was so certain I was safe. Little did I know.
That fucking eye, dude. It messed me up.
I don't know the next line in that song. No! Oh, you got chomped.
You were all dead? It's crazy.
Yeah, I got,
Guys, we're really bad at this game.
I got like Nat did.
Maybe
had
if I
somebody's
understood
head.
I need to understand the inner mechanics.
The inner mechanics. The inner mechanism.
Yeah, well, he...
I'm on YouTube and shit.
No, oh my god. I just got blowed up.
On guard! On guard! I said on guard!
Bitch, I'm trying!
What the fuck is your deal?
Oh,
Ouch!
oh.
On guard!
No! Please. Please, God.
You parried her.
One time! Just once!
On guard!
I like how
On guard.
he disarmed you.
On guard! Like on
It's
guard,
on
dude.
guard. I said, bitch, I'm trying.
Oh, did I do it?
I'm gonna kill him.
Yippee!
Ugh.
I hope you krill.
Krill
Krill
myself.
over and die.